Hi, I'm Nikhil and welcome to new video from Technary.com. Are you looking for portable wireless speakers? Well, then there's a good news for you. Boult Audio has launched two new portable wireless speakers. These are BassBox Arc and BassBox Verve. Let us have a look at the features of these speakers. Both these speakers are having IPX5 certification. They come with Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity. This helps in fast pairing and strong signals over longer operational range from the source. These are 5-watt speakers. Both these speakers are compact and are able to provide high-end audio experience as per the brand. So the Boult Audio BassBox Arc is a 5-watt speaker and this device is cylindrical shaped. Both these speakers are built with robust body. These does look premium and these are wrapped with premium fabric. They are also equipped with rubber for additional grip which helps it preventing from accidental damage. Both these speakers are IPX5 certified and are safe from water and dust. Both these speakers come with long-lasting battery life of 8 hours. There is 50mm driver for high performance audio and extra bass. Any guesses for the price? Well, Boult Audio BassBox Arc is available currently for a price of Rs 999. If you want to purchase it for this discounted rate, don't forget to check out the link in the description below. So let us talk about the Boult Audio BassBox Verve. So these are 10-watt personal wireless portable speakers. This speaker is cuboid shaped. There is a modern look with large volume buttons on the fabric and there is also red nylon strap on the side which adds an elegant styling for sure. BassBox Verve comes with twin 57mm drivers with bass radiator for super loud bass. These speakers are high fidelity amplifier which provides zero distortion even at highest volume. There is also a USB port and micro SD card slot in BassBox Verve. So it is having a price of rupees 1299 only. So if you want to purchase it in the discounted rate, don't forget to check out the link in the description below. So both these speakers are high quality portable speakers and are available at a very budget friendly price. So don't forget to grab them right away. Kindly like this video. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and put bell notifications on to get the latest updates from our side. Kindly share this video with your family and friends. Thanks for watching. Have a great day ahead.